Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little review on my 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Man, basically just to see like, is it a good starter car? If you haven't never drove a V8 before. This is my first V8 and like I'm 27 years old. So, I mean, I think it's a good starter car, but we're going to see if y'all think the same thing. But first, let's go ahead and get this cold start right here. So on this car, all I have is a mid muffler delete right now, and y'all see how it sounds. It already, like, it sounds good. It has some power, and for like the younger kids that wants the Charger, but like can't really afford a Scat Pack or a Hellcat, I mean, this is a great beginner car. Like, I love this car, and I think if I would have got a Scat Pack for my first V8, I think I probably would have wrecked it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but after having this car for almost a year, I do think I am ready to upgrade. So probably next year I will go ahead and upgrade to like a Scat Pack or something. So, but let me try to get to a road where there's not that much traffic. So yeah, y'all can still hear it right now. So I love the way this car sounds. Even though like it's just an RT, like I still get looks on the road and everything. So, and I'll put it in sport mode so y'all can see how it sounds. It gives it a little bit more response when you push on the gas. Alright, I'm about to let y'all see the power that it has. See, it still has a lot of power. Like, even, like I said, like it's not a Scat Pack or anything, but it has a lot of power. So this is a great beginner car for somebody who wants to one day get a Scat Pack or a Hellcat, that's why I got this car, because I knew I wasn't ready for a Scat Pack yet. So some downshifts. This car does still take a lot of gas though, so that's one thing you have to keep in mind. It's the insurance and the gas, because it does take a lot of gas. comments, y'all let me know what y'all think from what y'all seen so far. Y'all let me know if y'all think this is a good car, or should you go straight to the Scat Pack, or you know, or is the RT good enough to start off with? I mean, if we're being honest, I think this is a great car to start off with. Especially to get used to all of the power that you're gonna get from the Scat Pack.